How to turn on or turn off call barring on your Android device. What is up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn on your call barring on your Android device. So what this will do is it enables the user to block a specific type of incoming or outgoing calls on your mobile device. This is particularly useful when you want to prevent unwanted calls or restrict outgoing calls for security reasons. On that note, let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is open up your phone's dialer. So it might be different depending on the device you're using, but the general idea is the same. First thing first, you want to tap on the three dots to go to your settings. Once you open up your call settings, all you have to do is find your supplementary services, or in some cases you can directly find your call barring. So in my case, I'm just going to tap on supplementary services, and here you will see an option for call barring right here. So wait for it to load. This is a good time to remind you to hit the like, share, and subscribe button on this video. Alright, so from here you just want to tap on call barring, and here you will have to allow all of these options that it says, and you have different options. So if you want to block all of your outgoing calls, you can turn the first option. If you want to block international outgoing calls, you can turn on the second option, and there is an all other option to block your call from international calls except your home. And if you want to block all your incoming calls, you can do that as well. And if you want to block incoming calls when roaming, you can do that as well. So once you turn it on, if you have to turn it off, you just toggle it off like so. And that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you next time.